Dis al 5 maande wat die ding sloer nadat Dr. Rabie onderneem het om met haar eie kantoor die projek op te neem. So ons is ongelukkig daaroor. Dit is asof dit oorhandig was en nou staan hulle op sy en sê dit is nie meer ons probleem nie.
Dis nou 'n provinsiale projek.
Dit is nou 'n provinsiale projek, maar die munisipaliteit kan nie eenkant toe staan en sê dit is nie meer hulle probleem nie. Die mixed-use ontwikkeling is die enigste pad vorentoe. Uit al die scenario's wat ons bepaal het, is dit die werklike oplossing wat baie mense te hulp gaan kom. Dit gaan meer as 7.500 mense goeie huisvesting gee en daar's goeie skole wat beplan word. Daar's 'n desalination plant wat die water gaan aanvul vir hierdie behoefte van Hermanus en vir die nuwe inwoners en dit is die oplossing wat ons moet hê.
The last proposal on the table was one for a mixed-use development. How do you think people in Dubai feel about that?
I don't think that they're necessarily opposed to it as long as they're involved in the process. I think people are tired of being told, this is what's happening, we're developing this, you've got these options, and that's that, you know. I think that the other concern is that a lot of the people here won't fit into what the government considers to be proper beneficiaries. You know, a lot of the people don't fit into the box. So what do you do with them? Yeah, so the community needs to be involved in whatever happens here to find solutions to all these problems.